Hey y'all, so we have been open on Thursday, Friday, Saturday during February, but tomorrow is back to normal, back to regular business hours. You want to come and see us this weekend, we would love to have you. We're going to be open Tuesday through Saturday, 11 to 8:30, and on Sundays we're going to be open 11 to 2. We just got our truck in today and we are ready to get after it. I am going to make some cheesecakes today, some vanilla bean cheesecakes. I usually make them in bulk batches, so that's what I'm doing today. Start off melting our butter. Graham cracker crumbs, brown sugar, vanilla, lots of vanilla. I'm gonna put a little white sugar in here too because I didn't have enough brown sugar, so it's different every time. Melted butter. And now we mix. When it looks like wet sand, that's when it's just right. Now we just fill the bottom of our pans, press it out all over the bottom, and then we're gonna give it a bake for about 8 minutes. We're ready to get into the oven. Now we're gonna make our filling. My big mixer is downstairs, so we're gonna make it down here. Lots of cream cheese. We start mixing our cream cheese first and get it blended pretty good, and then we'll start adding the rest. I'm gonna add some sugar, regular granulated sugar. Now we're gonna add some sour cream, vanilla bean paste. Now we're gonna add our secret ingredient, marshmallow cream. Oh yeah, that is looking perfect. Our filling is ready. Now I'm gonna take this upstairs and I'm gonna fill our crust. Now we're gonna make the topping, and we need lots of heavy cream. Powdered sugar. Let me give it a taste. It needs something. I know what it needs. A little bit of love. There, it's ready. Okay, now we're gonna ice these. We're gonna put this right on top of this. That is a beautiful sight. Whew. Shall we enjoy the fruits of our labor? I think so. This is my signature dessert, vanilla bean cheesecake. It is so good. Oh my gosh. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but toot toot. We have been open on Thursday, Fridays, and Saturdays for the month of February, but tomorrow we are starting our 2026 season full tilt, and we would love for you to come and have lunch or supper with us. We are open Tuesday through Saturday, 11 o'clock to 8:30, and we're open on Sundays, 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock. We have live music every day, someone different every day. We have Justin, who sings on Tuesdays for lunch. We have the Massengale brothers, who sing on Tuesday night. We have Roger, who sings on Wednesday, lunch and supper. And on Thursdays, we have Chuck. On Thursday night, we have John. And then on Friday, we have Roger again. And on Saturdays, we have the Mountain Haulers. So we would love to have you come and join us, have some good food, good music, and we'll make you feel right at home. Come and see us.